I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment so Capture can work. Update Discord, then run it as administrator and grant screen recording or privacy permissions. This removes permission blockers. Once done, close apps that might own the GPU or the Capture pipeline, like browsers or games, to avoid conflicts. Make sure you're signed in and the app isn't sandboxed. These steps clear the most common blockers and get you into the actionable troubleshooting sequence quickly. Now you address the Capture mechanism itself. Turn off hardware acceleration in Discord settings because GPU acceleration can route rendering away from the Capture path. Next, choose Window Capture for specific applications or Screen Share for full displays, and pick the exact window, not the app group. If you have integrated plus dedicated graphics, make sure Discord is assigned to the dedicated GPU in your NVIDIA or AMD control panel, because mismatched GPU usage often produces a black stream. Finish by restarting Discord and running a quick test with a friend or a second account. This confirms whether the fix worked. If you still see a black screen, switch to Discord Web or Route Capture through OBS and share that window as a workaround. Make sure to disable full screen optimizations on the Captured app and, if needed, reinstall or roll back your GPU drivers. These actions resolve deep driver conflicts. If nothing helps, run Discord in compatibility mode and recheck permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.